Hey guys, it's Tim here, and today I'll be reviewing StockDreams, which is a brand new platform that allows you to create high quality images with AI. Now, I was blown away by the results that it creates, so I'm going to give you a full demo. In case you're interested, there is a link in the description of this video. But let's dive into this and let me show you how it works. So right now I'm already logged in, as you can see. And here at the left side, we have the different tools and the different kind of images that you can create. So from the top here, you have Photo Studio, Design Lab here, and we have branding, doodling, characters, products, presets, etc. So let's start by the Photo Studio here. And here we can type what we'd like to have. So let's say we want to have a business meeting and we're going to press start. Now it's going to create an image for us. And this only takes a few seconds. It doesn't take a long time and it will appear on the screen here. Now look at what it's going to create. I think you will be impressed. Look at this. These kind of images are you able to create. And if I like to create a new one, I simply hit start and now it's going to create a new image for me. And this is the photo creator. So you can create any kind of image with this and it's super high quality. Now, as you can see here, the next one, business meeting. So you can create all different types of photos. So let's say we want to do something else like a tennis player. And let's see what it creates when we do something like this. Let me pause and come back. There you go. There you got the tennis player. Now this one is a little bit strange, as you can see, and that happens with these AI models, but the quality is pretty good. If you can see her head here, her face is pretty good. So you can re-render until you get the good image, but you can see the kind of images that it creates. So that's the Photo Studio. That's the first one. The second one is the Design Lab. And here you can, it says here we create vectors, illustrations, and artworks for your designs. So let's say we want to do, let's say a vector, we're going to do a shopping cart, something like this. Let's create something like this. And then let's see what it comes up with. There you go. Look at this. I think it's super high quality. Or maybe you want to do a dollar bill. Let's start. And there you go. There you got your dollar bill. So you can also say, I want to have a scene here. Let's say dollar bill. Let's retry this one. And there you go. There you have the next one. So you can create all different kind of images, different styles. So we just saw the Photo Studio for photos. This is the Design Lab where you can create stuff like this. The next one is branding, where you can create some kind of logos or stuff like that. So let's say we want to have a something about coffee. Or coffee. Is it coffee or coffee? Let's say coffee. I think he will understand. AI is smart these days, right? And there you go. Here, this is a logo created. And of course, it's not perfect. Maybe you need to change the font because it says double C Offe. You know, in fonts, it's not really good. No AI is good at fonts yet. But I think this is a pretty cool logo, right? I'm impressed. So let's do something else. Let's say we want to do a crown. And then let's do that again. And here it's a logo, but we can also create icons. So let's do that for the next one. Let's do the coffee one with an icon as well. So first, let's see this one. So you got here a crown logo, and maybe you want to do an icon. And let's say coffee again. Here, let's see what kind of icon it makes here. There you go. And there you got something like this. I think it does a pretty good job if you see this, right? Okay, so that's the next thing. So another option is doodling. And let me see what kind of picture we can create here. Let's say we want to do a presenter again. We want to create a doodle of a presenter. And here you can choose from black and white or colored. So let's start with a black and white presenter here. And there you got this. Okay, so it created a girl. Let's try something else. Let's make something simpler, probably a dog here. But these, look at the quality. It was pretty awesome, right? And you can even use these and print these, give to your kids so they can color these images. You can even make color books by using this doodle part. Here, look at this. This is a perfect thing to give to children so they can color this. So you can also use colored here, and then let's click on start and let's see what it creates. And there you go. I think this is pretty amazing, right? You can use this anywhere. And one of the cool things is one of the upgrades, I think it's in here as well. Let's see if it's in here. Let me remove my mouse, different versions, upscale. Yes, so like this one is the background remover. Now this is one of the upgrades. So when I click on this, it's going to remove the background. So you can use this dog image anywhere. Look at this, boom. And it removes the background. And it does that also with other photos as well, so that you can use this as a transparent picture anywhere. So that's the next one. Then we have characters. Let's see what we have for characters in here. So let's do a businessman again. And let's see what it comes up with. And there you go. There you have the businessman. So these kind of characters is it able to create. So you can do a baby businessman. No idea what it creates when I do a baby businessman. But if you like to have a character like that, let's see what it creates. There you go. Look at this. This looks pretty amazing. I really like the quality. And one of the upgrades is also the upscaler. So you can have the image here. So here, when I click this, it will create a higher quality picture of the same image in here. And there are some more upgrades that you have different variations of a single picture here. So now it's super high quality, as you can see. And yeah, so you can use them in more professional designs here. Let me see here. So when I click this one, it's going to create another version of the same image. And let's see what it does. So it creates that in the same style and you will get the similar image. See here, you got another one. This one is a little, well, it is still okay, but you get the idea, right? Next one, products here. And this one is also very impressive. So let's say we want to do here sports shoe. And we're going to click start. Now it's going to create products for you. And these look really, really good. I've tried this prompt before and look what it's creating for you. Look at this. I mean, this looks so good here. And you can use this for any kind of product. Look at this quality. But you can also say a sports shoe with a gradient purple to red background. Something like this. If you want to match it with your brand, with your website or wherever you would like to use this. And look at this. Looks good, right? And you can also add a background here. So there's two options here. When I click on background here, it will create a kind of a product background. So when I do exactly the same here, it will put the product in front of a wall like you normally see with product images. So you see this? So this is a different kind of setup when you add the background in here. Now then we also have presets here at the bottom. And when I click that, you can simply click these buttons. So these are all presets. So when I say I want to see space backgrounds, I can click this and it will create space backgrounds for me. And there you go. Or the heart of the Amazon in here. When you click that, you get images like this. Also looks very, very good. So these are all presets that you can use. And then when I go to images here, you have these kinds of options here. Generate variations of our existing image library or use them in Canva. So here you have all these different kind of images that you can use as well. Different kind of backgrounds that you can use as well. And that's basically what it is. When you go back to your library, everything that you've created is saved here. You can go to your work in here, your library. You can see here all the images that we create. So I've done that before, as you can see here. For example, images like this, it creates this very high quality. You know, if you do a chef, something like that. Here I want to have a Chinese chef, and it creates something like this. Or this one here, it creates images like this. So here is everything saved. And that's basically what StockDreams is all about. Super high quality for a very affordable price as well. Again, there is a link in the description where you can get access to this product. And if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.